kids, welcome to maths class. Today the topic of our learning is division and objective of our today's learning is division on number line. First of all, let's see what is number line. A number line is a line that has arrows on both sides. That means it can be extended from both sides. I hope you all know how to draw a number line. Now let us see our first example. Our example is 8 divided by 2. Now children, as we all know, first of all we will draw a number line, put arrows on both the sides, and we will write the number starting from 0 till 8 as our sum is 8 divided by 2. Now our first step is to go to the digit at first place, that is called a dividend. Children, 8 divided by 2. 8 is a greater number that we have to divide by 2. So 8 will be the dividend. First of all, draw a line on 8. After that, our second step will be to do back counting by taking the gap of the number given at second place, that is divisor. Now in 8 divided by 2, we are dividing 8 by 2, so 2 will be the divisor. Now from 8 you have to go back taking 2 gaps. From 8 we will go 7, 6. So draw a line on 6 and join both the lines with the scale. Don't use freehand drawing, draw line with scale. Our third step is to do back counting and reach till 0, taking the gap of digit at the second place. Now children, as we have done in step 2, again you will take 2 gaps and reach at 0. After 6, go back 5, 4. 2 digits, draw a line, join with scale. Then after 4, go back 3, 2. 2 digits, draw a line, again join with scale. Now go from 2 till 0. 1, 0. 2 steps, 9, join with scale. Now step 4 is count the number of jumps you have taken and number them. From 0 till 2, 1, 2 till 4, 2, 4 till 6, 3 and 6 till 8, 4. How many jumps we have taken? In total we have taken 4 jumps. So you will also number them so that you can count it later. Our next step will be writing the answer. Leave one line, write down answer how many jumps you have taken, because that will be our answer. Children, I hope till here you are clear with the topic divide on number line. Now we will see how to do these sums on copy. Okay children, now take a new page on your copy. Write down date, homework, draw margins, and we are going to do divide on number line. Now let us suppose our first sum is 9 divided by 3. Okay. Now what we have to do, first of all we have to draw a number line. Put arrows, write down numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why 9? Because our greater number, our dividend is 9 and divisor is 3. Now children, first of all we will see what is our greatest number, 9, and we will draw a line here on 9. Now 3 is the divisor, that means we have to do back counting taking a gap of 3, 3 and reach till 0. Now first of all, after 9, do back counting 1, 2, 3. We have reached 6, so we will draw a line on 6 and join these with a help of scale. Now again after 6, count 3, 1, 2, 3. We have reached at 3. Draw a line. Join it with scale like this. Now, next is after 3. Come back to 0. 1, 2, 3. Again 3. Draw a line and join it with scale. Now children, how will we get our answer? We have taken 3 gaps from 9 and went till 0. Now we will count the number of jumps. First jump, second jump, third jump. We have taken 3 jumps. So our answer will be 3. Number of jumps is our answer. Leave one line, write down answer is equal to 3. Like this you will do your divide or number line on copy. Children, I want you to keep practicing the sums given in your SNAP homework. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you, class.